You can find them in a variety of colors, such as yellow, a dry onion with a strong flavor, purple, the one with the most mild taste, and white, mostly used in raw preparations. But in order to preserve the onion's qualities, there are a few tips we want to share with you in today's video. Where do you store the onions you buy at an outdoor market? If you normally keep them in the fridge, you're doing it wrong. Keeping them in the fridge makes them go bad faster. The low temperatures turn the starch into sugar and speeds up the ripening process, as well as providing a better environment for fungi. The ideal temperature to store onions at is far from the refrigerator, from 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. When stored in these conditions, they can last months. According to specialists, onions should be kept in a cool, dry area with good ventilation, and if possible, in mesh bags. If you don't have any mesh bags, old pantyhose can work as well. Apart from being delicious, eating onions can also help your health by improving circulation, fighting constipation, controlling blood sugar levels, etc. So, after learning about all of these benefits, follow our tip and start storing your onions the right way in order to preserve their qualities and get the most out of this amazing vegetable. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.